oil, 1 whole garlic, 1 large onion, 1 whole bell pepper, 2 large potato, 1 whole chicken, bay leaf, and 4 small carrots. And of course, our curry powder, and lastly, our coconut milk. Okay, let's start cooking. Let's put the heat in medium. And let's put the oil. Let's wait for the oil to heat up. Okay, so first we're gonna put our garlic. I love to hear that sizzle. And let's put the onions. So when you see the onion and garlic is a bit cooked already, you can put the chicken. And then haluin sila. Stir it. Stir. Yan. Saute the chicken with onion and garlic. We can add salt while sauteing the chicken. Stir it again. And then put the lid. And we wait for the chicken to be cooked for 10 to 15 minutes. While we're doing that, let's go and prepare our curry powder. Okay, so what I do, I add 3 tablespoons of curry powder in a bowl. Curry powder if you want it to be very strong curry taste, or you can also have it less so it's not too strong for you. Just add half a cup of water, and if it's still too thick, add a little more. Mix them together and be sure there's no lumps. And that's it. That's how you prepare your curry powder. Okay, so I think our chicken is already cooked. Haluin muna natin. Ooh, look at that. Okay, so after the chicken is cooked, we put 1 cup of water. And then we add on our carrots, potatoes, bell pepper. Then again, stir it. And then let's cover it up again and wait for the potato and carrots to be cooked. Let's say another 5 to 8 minutes. Okay, so after the carrots and potatoes are cooked, let's put our curry sauce. Add your bay leaf. And stir it again. Let's add a bit of salt. And let's wait for it to boil a bit, and then we will put our coconut milk. Okay, so for our last ingredient, we will put our coconut cream. after putting the coconut milk, let's wait for it to boil a bit, and that's it. That's our chicken curry Filipino style. Okay guys, so here's my chicken curry Filipino style. I hope you guys enjoy watching